Hi friends, welcome back. So after the Talsheri Fort, we came to Murupalangadi beach. So this is the beach. But unfortunately, we cannot get down at the beach due to the rainy season, and
As you can see the disappointment on my face, because while we started this trip, I wanted to take the car and go to the Murupalangadi beach, because this is Asia's drive-in, one of the drive-in beaches.
Asia's biggest drive-in beach,
in fact,
and
yeah.
Kerala's only drive-in beach. We wanted to do this because if you guys have, you know, people who regularly watch our vlogs, they know that we had taken the Ford Freestyle to a beach at where? Dapoli.
Dapoli, yeah.
Yeah, at Dapoli we had taken it to some beach. We had taken it to Dapoli beach and we got stuck on that beach.
Yeah.
Since then, we were planning to come here and, get the car here and drive on the beach. But sadly, we cannot do that. So this...
Someday we will do it.
Yeah, probably when we come to Kerala when it is not rainy season,
Yeah.
that time we'll definitely do it. So if you see, this is the beach. And up until there, till where you can see is the drive-in path where you can actually drive your car.
So we have come to Murupalangadi beach, and this is the promenade, as you can see, or walkway, which the government has built. And this place is under Kerala Tourism, because we could see a board where it is written that this is an initiative taken by Kerala Tourism government. And I think this is around 2+ kilometers long, right?
2 kilometers,
Yeah,
I guess.
because we drove across from that side, and it was quite long, बहुत beautiful. I don't know if this video can do justice, but yeah.
Till the end, whatever you can see is the walkway here.
So as you can see, this is the walkway. It is long, I think, as I said, right, it's more than 2 kilometers long, and it's very beautifully made. आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे sea है, यहाँ पे land है, यहाँ पे घर है, and there's coconut trees right across, and this looks very beautiful. बहुत मस्त लग रहा है. The vibe here is like super amazing.
I'm sure this place would be more beautiful during the night because you can see there's all lights over here. I'm not sure if they are solar powered, but it does look like one. So nights would be super crazy because there's beach on one side and there is walkway in the middle, and so this also has restrooms over here, like your washrooms, your they have the cycle lane over here, so somebody who's coming here with a cycle can have a good ride over here. So as I said, because it is rainy season, we cannot get into the beach, but this beach looks crazy. It is very huge. I can see some people down there, like 3 men are down over there on the beach, but I'm sure that they would be doing some work on the beach. That's the reason they are down. Otherwise, you cannot get down. The tides are also very huge at the moment, so it's better not to go into the beach for safety purposes. So we are heading back from this place now because जो plan था वो तो हुआ नहीं. कार घुमाना था बीच पे, वो हुआ नहीं.
Yeah.
Sadly.
Probably next time when we'll drive and come, तब कर लेंगे, because I am little disappointed about it, but क्या कर सकते हैं.
He is very disappointed. So yeah, we'll explore some other places in Talsheri now.
I really love the place. Again, the vibe here is amazing. आप देखोगे तो मुझे पता नहीं, मैंने दुबई में सब ऐसा वॉकवेज या प्रोमेनाड्स देखा है जो इतना अच्छा दिखता है. शायद मुंबई वर्ली में भी शायद कुछ बन रहा है ऐसे, तो प्रॉब्ली
Bandra में ना कार्टस।
बैंड्रा में भी है बट वो इसका बहुत छोटा है,
हाँ
यहाँ पे जो है बहुत बड़ा है और लोग बहुत कम है, वहाँ पे बहुत छोटा है और लोग बहुत ज़्यादा है.
हाँ
बट या यहाँ पे as you can see it's a Saturday, sorry it's a Saturday evening, but या लोग तो कम ही है, इतना ज़्यादा नहीं है. सो वी आर गोइंग टू एक्सप्लोर तलशेरी नाउ. पता नहीं अभी हम शायद कडलपालम करके एक जगह है. सो कडलपालम का इंग्लिश क्या है मैं वहाँ पे जाके रीड करके बता दूँ. बट दिस प्लेस इज फेमस फॉर
Beach.
या इट्स अ बीच
sea bridge.
sea bridge, yeah. So that is what Kadalpalam means in Malayalam. So we are gonna go there and there is some graffiti.
क्या बोल रहे हैं? That is what Kadalpalam means in English.
Yeah, sorry. मैं अभी थोड़ा disappointed हूँ because I couldn't drive at Murpalangadi beach. So probably दिमाग नहीं चल रहा है बराबर. But yeah, so so we are gonna see some graffiti paintings there. वो भी बहुत famous है, वो यहाँ पे है. तो super excited for that. Can't get enough of the beach though.
Yeah.
बहुत मस्त लगा. We both actually had a great time here. मज़ा तो आया but yeah, we'll have to move क्योंकि हमारे पास time restriction है. क्योंकि हमको कवर करना है मैक्सिमम जगह एंड वी वांट टू सी द मोस्ट. सो या लेट्स सी यू देयर एट कडलपालम देन.
We have finally reached Kadalpalam. So actually Kadalpalam is near to the Talasheri fort. We didn't know that, so we went to Murpalangadi beach and then we came back here.
Yeah.
But the sad part is it is raining heavily. So we are gonna wait for like 10 minutes and check if we can go to see that. But let's see, the rain has subsided a bit.
बट आपको ये व्यू डेफिनेटली देखना चाहिए. इट लुक्स क्रेजी. हमने ऐसे जगह पे रखा है गाड़ी कि वो बीच के जस्ट ऊपर है एंड वी आर गेटिंग अ फुल 180 डिग्री बीच व्यू एंड दैट इज कडलपालम. इफ यू कैन सी देयर, वहाँ पे एक ब्रिज है. सो दैट्स द ब्रिज व्हिच इज ऑन द सी. So let's see when we will be able to go there.
रुक गई है बारिश तो चलो चलते बाहर. The rain stopped. It is just a full stop. एकदम से बंद हो गया बारिश and we got to come here, but I don't know why the road is all flooded over here. But this was the entry to the bridge, which now they have blocked. And they've written danger, so entry prohibited.
So basically they have written the pier is in danger condition, entry is prohibited. तो आई थिंक जो पियर जो आपको दिख रहा है जो स्टोन ब्रिज या सी ब्रिज जो है वो बहुत साल पुराना है एंड आई थिंक इट्स इन अ कंडीशन वेयर इट कैन ब्रेक. सो दैट्स द रीज़न व्हाई इट इज़ ब्लॉक्ड. सो लेट्स सी, हम यहाँ पे वॉकवे पे चलेंगे, एक्सप्लोर करेंगे.
But yes, apart from that, there is a walkway here. There's a lot of people. They are just enjoying their time at the beach and you can just walk. So this what you see behind me is the sea bridge, and in Malayalam we say Kadalpalam, and you cannot go there because it's very old and we can actually see that those things are actually destroyed by the waves actually, so it's not safe to go there. So it's okay, you have this walkway where you can just walk and there are shops, cafes by the side.
नाउ वी आर हेडिंग टू द ग्राफिटी स्ट्रीट. सो बेसिकली यहाँ पे ओल्ड बिल्डिंग्स है जिसको आई मीन आर्टिस्ट लोगों ने, डिफरेंट आर्टिस्ट हैव दे हैव पेंटेड इट रियली वेल. सो वी आर गोइंग टू एक्सप्लोर दैट नाउ. तो अभी हमने वॉकवे देखा, द सी ब्रिज विच इज़ कडलपालम वो भी देखा. तो अभी हम सोचे थोड़ा ये भी एक्सप्लोर करते क्योंकि पास में और हमको थोड़ा भूख भी लग रहा है. तो इसके बाद प्रॉब्ली विल हैव सम स्नैक्स. सो येस, वी आर गोइंग टू द ग्राफिटी स्ट्रीट नाउ.
And it's better to walk, not get your car, because it really there's a lot of traffic on the way actually.
Yeah. So yeah, you're heading. Yeah. Now Divya saw this graffiti. She took a photo here. She'll post it on her Instagram though. एज यूजुअल हमको डॉग्स दिख गए यहाँ पे एंड इफ़ यू सी सब साथ में सो रहे पीसफुली.
We saw the structure here. First we thought it's a pond, but it's nothing. It's just a structure for photography, I guess.
So there is a 3D rickshaw here which is coming right out of the window. But ये ऐसा बनाया गया है. I mean it's a graffiti art I guess. But ये बहुत beautiful है. बहुत अलग दिखता है. And we just took some photos with it.
We saw a board here, Talasheri Art Society. I'm sure all the work around the graffiti and all of that is done, mostly done by them.
All our Mallu friends, I don't know if you can understand, but ये movie में है अपना तल्लूमाला जो movie है टोविनो का, one of the movies that we really like for the direction and the action, वो यहीं पे shoot हुआ है. So as you can see the streets, it is covered in graffiti. So बहुत मस्त दिख रहा है. यहाँ का vibe बहुत अलग है. What do you feel, Divya? How is it?
Yeah, it's crazy. I've not seen anything like this in Kerala. This is super amazing. I'm gonna go back and watch that Tallumala movie again. I've watched it like 3-4 times.
Yeah.
Definitely. I'm gonna watch it again so that now I know where it was shot.
Yeah, actually. So ये street बहुत unique है. As you can see, there is a lot of colors. तो हम just explore कर रहे हैं. यहाँ का vibe catch in कर रहे हैं, right?
Yeah.
Just having a good time, guys.
Store nearby, so we came to this Milma store. There is a fish item called Kallimakaya, basically shellfish. I'm gonna try that for the first time. Nice. This is chicken cutlet.
This is some grape soda.
So this is good. We did spend some time here. We explored this area behind us, the sea bridge, the Kadal Palam, and the graffiti road. All was fun. We took a lot of pictures over there, which you can find on our Instagram handle.
And we got the peda that we really like, Milma.
Yeah. So
बहुत tasty है. If anybody wants to come to, when they come to Kerala, please try this.
yeah. So Milma is like RA of Maharashtra. So Milma is of Kerala.
Not a paid promotion.
Not a paid promotion, yes. We love the Milma Peda, so we bought that for us. And people who visit to Talasheri should definitely come here. You will definitely get some great photos.
Yeah, actually.
So we're ending the vlog here. See you in our next vlog. So keep supporting and we will take you to more places. Do comment down what you all feel, guys, because that will help us grow. Each of your comments are very important for us. So yes, see you at a new
See you
location.
guys. Thank you.
Bye.